This is a Toastmaster box fan model 4437, manufactured back around April of 1993. This is a 3-speed fan. Nothing much else to say about it. The handle on top of the fan is not original. It just had a plastic strap-like handle, which broke off after years of use. This fan's actually been in the family since it was new, and I actually acquired this fan after a death in the family, so it is quite a sentimental childhood fan of mine. This thing is one of my favorite box fans overall because of that reason. But anyway, we'll go ahead and give this thing a demonstration. We'll start it up on high speed. Take it down to medium. This style of the Toastmaster box fan was the last to be manufactured. I can't remember, I believe they were phased out in the mid-90s, about 1995. Medium and low speed on this fan are actually really quiet. Sometimes I usually run this fan all night long on summer nights, every night, just to keep some air moving in my room to help me sleep. But I decided to give this fan a break this year. I usually run it on this speed, which is really quiet since I'm I guess you can say, a little bit of a light sleeper. And we'll go ahead and shut it off. And we'll show you the back. I believe that's a Macmillan motor it has on it. But anyway, that's about it for this fan. I actually got another one of these that I'll videotape sometime down the road. So, anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 1993 Toastmaster box fan model 4437. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, everybody.